Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is very important for all of you, as we know that your Goldman Sachs exam is announced and the exam is scheduled on 29th March. So in the video we will discuss about the updated exam pattern, exam instruction, practice question, topics, and finally we received the exam mail. Like and share the video. I already shared one video on our channel yesterday. Okay, in the video I already tell about everything, technical test pattern as well, interview process as well, so no need to worry about that. But I have a free resources for all of you from which you can practice, and we will talk about this examination in details. So as we know that first your aptitude examination is there. Okay, as I already mentioned in my previous video that your first aptitude examination is there. After that the main exam will be there. Okay, here you can see on my screen that like coursework will be there, after that technical test and interview and offer rollout. This is the process. So finally we received a mail, Goldman Sachs engineering analyst campus hiring aptitude test invitation. Goldman Sachs, okay, aptitude test powered by HackerRank. Thank you for registering for the engineering analyst campus hiring program 25. As a next step you will require to take the aptitude test on Saturday March 29. Please find details of your time slot and the test link below instruction. We encourage you to bookmark and go through the test preparation instruction before you start the test. It is very important guys, you have to check the instruction. Please keep in mind the following instruction while attempting the test. The link for the assessment will go live from 6 p.m. on 29 March and you will not able to access the assessment before that. The login window will end at 6:45 p.m. on March 29 and you will not be able to log on into assessment after this. The duration of assessment is 120 minutes. Fine. While the login window is 45 minutes, you will get 120 minutes from the time you start the assessment to complete the assessment. Please ensure you are in a room with good internet connectivity for the entire duration. You will not able to take the assessment via your phone, and laptop desktop will be required. Laptop desktop will be required, phone is not allowed. There is only one attempt, okay, like per registered email ID. Do not share the assessment link with anyone as it will lead to disqualification. You will need a video web camera to attempt the assessment. Please ensure the camera is facing directly at you and your face is visible. Ensure you are giving the assessment all by yourself and you are in well lit room. Use the default dark theme and disable remove extension that change the theme of your browser. Continue to review the frequently asked question. If you have any additional query, you can contact on this email ID. Okay, so this is the assessment form. Okay, like assessment test start link, recommended browser Google Chrome version 101 or greater. Start time is this, end time is this. Start test, you can use this test link to access anytime before the text expiry date. Okay, so this type of page will be open. Welcome to Goldman Sachs engineering analyst campus hiring program. 120 minutes duration are there. Total 70 number of questions are there. Total 70 number of question, 120 minutes are there. This is a test time of duration 2 hours. Please make sure you are not interrupted during the test. Please ensure you have stable internet connectivity. The test has 7 sections. First is numerical computation, 12 question. Second is numerical reasoning, 12 question. Third is related to abstract reasoning, 12 question. Fourth is diagrammatic reasoning, 12 question. Fifth is logical reasoning, 12. Sixth is comprehension 1, 5 question, and seventh is comprehension 2, 5 question. Each incorrect answer for MCQ will earn a negative marking. So the one most important point, negative marking is present in the examination. So you have to attempt your test very carefully. To understand more about the environment, time limit, you can read the FAQ. Please refrain from taking screenshot photo of question during the test since the activity will be monitored. Okay, so these are the section. Okay, total 7 section: numerical computation, reasoning, abstract, diagrammatic, puzzles. This is the new, like puzzles and logical reasonings are there. Total 12 question, comprehension 1 and comprehension 2, and you can start your test. Let's discuss about the first part, that is a numerical computation. 12 questions are there. Numerical computation, okay, basically numerical computation involves using computer to solve a mathematical problem that involve real number, often employing algorithms and techniques to approximate solution, especially especially when exact solution are difficult. Okay, so the most important topics in the numerical computation are number system, ratio proportion, simplification, approximation, simple compound interest, average profit, discount and loss, time and work. Okay, time, speed and distance, mensuration, geometry, data interpretation, probability and permutation and combination. One most important point, for the aptitude you can go to direct GFG website. This is the perfect website where you will find everything. Learn part are also there, practice part are also there. Okay, practice questions are available, but we have to practice the numerical computation MCQ. So you can go to textbook website, okay, where you will find the latest numerical computation questions. Okay, these questions are very important, and I am sharing all the questions with all of you for free. Okay, like this all the free websites, so you can directly access the question. So for the numerical computation, total 12 number of questions are there. These topics are important and you have to practice these questions from the website. Okay, the websites are very important. GFG websites are there and India Bix website are there. Okay, these are definitely helpful for everyone, and I shared the textbook website that is available in the description, you can find. Okay, let's discuss about the second part, that is numerical reasoning, in which 12 questions are there. Numerical reasoning is designed to test candidate max skills and tend to focus on several specific area. Okay, so what are the important topics? The data sufficiency, pattern recognition, word problem involving mathematical operation and mathematical puzzles are asking in numerical reasoning. For numerical reasoning, these websites are very important. You will find the numerical reasoning. Okay, easy, medium, hard level questions are also there, guys. Okay, so you have to find the basic simple max questions are there, and you can find the other question as well. Algebra simple questions are there. Numerical reasoning, geometry related questions are also there. Okay, numerical reasoning, number series related questions are also there. So you can prepare and you can practice. Okay, that are very important. The third topic, or we can say that the third section, is abstract reasoning. 12 questions are there. Abstract reasoning often involve identifying pattern, recognizing relationship and solving problem using logical and critical thinking without relying on concrete example or prior knowledge. Pattern recognition in shape and number, odd one and out, analogies and classification, these are most important topic in the abstract reasoning. So you can go to similar website for the abstract reasoning, where you will find free abstract reasoning practice test with question, answer and explanation. This type of question will be asked series related question. Okay, sample 2 questions are there, matrices related questions are there, many questions that is definitely asked in the abstract reasoning. Pattern recognition related in shape and number. Okay, so this is related to abstract reasoning. Our fourth section is related to diagrammatic reasoning. Diagrammatic reasoning is a reasoning by means of visual representation. Okay, they mention visualize with the use of diagram and imagery instead by algebraic means. Flowchart based question, input output question, series completion using diagram. So you can directly go to this website where you will find diagrammatic reasoning test with the question. This type of question is generally asked in the diagrammatic reasoning and question. So you will find this website in the description. Okay, let's move on to the next part, that is related to puzzles and LR. LR means logical reasoning. Total 12 questions are there, and the logical reasoning, verbal and non-verbal reasonings are there. But blood relation, coding, decoding, syllogism, statement assumption, data sufficiency, directions and settings arrangement and puzzles related question will be asked. Okay, so the fifth section is very important. For that, I suggest you the logical reasoning question and answer website, where you will find topic related question. Verbal reasonings are there, non-verbal reasonings are there. Okay, and you can find this, and you can go to this website, like logical reasoning puzzles related question you can find. And when you when you write this logical reasoning questions, okay, logical reasoning question, so you will find the India Bix website, where you will find number series, okay, verbal reasoning, cause effect, statement and argument. Many parts are there in the particular logical reasoning as well. So you will find the puzzles related question, Sudoku, number puzzle, missing letter puzzles are there. Okay, puzzles related questions are very important in this, because it is a fifth part and it is newly introduced part. Okay, ये जो टॉपिक हैं दैट आई मेंशन इन द लॉजिकल रीजनिंग, डायग्रामेटिक रीजनिंग, ओके, न्यूमेरिकल रीजनिंग, ये थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे भी हो सकते हैं. यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर द इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर द टॉपिक दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग है तो उसके बारे में पढ़ना है. अब बात करते हैं 6th and 7th सेक्शन की, दैट इज कॉम्प्रहेंशन. टोटल 5 क्वेश्चंस आर देयर. ओके, इन द कॉम्प्रहेंशन पैसेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चन, सिनोनियम एंटोनियम्स विद इन द पैसेज, finding the meanings of word in the context. Okay, for that I suggest everyone to go to this website where you will find reading comprehension. Multiple questions are present here. Okay, similarly on the GFG website, reading comprehension question and answers are present. Okay, so you have to practice from this website. Everything I already shared with all of you. This is Goldman Sachs Aptitude questions. Okay, this is Goldman Sachs Aptitude question. It is present on HITS Boolean website. This is Goldman Sachs Aptitude question present on one of the Unstop website. So everything I shared with all of you, and everything I already told you in detail. Okay, the main important thing is, guys, one most important point, there is a negative marking in the examination and there is a huge number of shortlisting in this examination. ओके, लाइक एप्टीट्यूड ही ऐसा राउंड रहता है जहाँ पर शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. सो यू हैव टू परफॉर्म वेरी वेल इन योर एग्जामिनेशन, मीन्स यू हैव टू ट्राई टू अटेम्प्ट मोर नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन. बट द थिंग इज नेगेटिव मार्किंग भी है, सो आपको ध्यान रखना है कि करेक्ट आंसर हो. ओके, दैट इज द थिंग. So I hope you like the video and I hope I clear all of your doubts regarding the Goldman Sachs. We will meet in the next video. Best wishes for your examination. Thanks for watching the video.